Hello.
What's up?
Nothing much. You're from Indonesia?
I do, yeah. I am, yeah.
I'm from Malaysia.
Oh! But at first I thought you were Indonesian as well.
No, I'm from Malaysia.
Nice.
Are you a streamer?
Am I a streamer?
Yeah.
Why did you say that?
I'm just asking because I would literally ask everyone if they're a streamer.
So you asked everyone if they were streamer. Nama kamu siapa?
Nama aku Zara.
Zara?
Yeah.
Zara?
kamu?
Like the brand?
Yeah, like the brand.
Oh, okay.
Zara.
Nama aku Vicky.
Vicky. Oh, nice name. I like your name.
Thanks. Udah pernah ke Indonesia belum?
Tapi aku mau pergi ke sana.
Ngapa pergi kat sini?
Are you talking in like elsewhere?